mission to find the best sales and marketing software for online business owners and course creators in 2025. And one platform that keeps popping up is stan.store. You've probably seen it in the wild, especially on Instagram. It's simple, clean, and has a fast-growing fan base. And Stephen Bartlett from Diary of a CEO has recently come on board, which tells me that this platform is only going to grow from here. So let's dive in. I'm going to walk you through what stan.store can and can't do, pricing and plans, product types you can sell, how it compares to tools like Kajabi and Kartra, and whether it's the right fit for you in 2025. Let's go. So Stan keeps things straightforward with just two pricing tiers. The first is the Creator Plan for just $29 per month, and the second is the Creator Pro Plan for $99 a month. They also run promos like 3 months for $1, which is great for testing it out. So the Creator Plan is great to get started and start selling products, but there is a big reason to upgrade to the Creator Pro Plan, and that is email marketing. In order to send out emails to your list or set up funnels or automations, you're going to need the email flows feature, which for online business, I just consider so important. Pro also unlocks order bumps, the ability to create your own affiliate links for your products, and more contacts. So you'll get 5,000 on the Creator Plan and then 20,000 on the Creator Pro Plan. All right, now let's talk about the product types you can sell on Stan. Stan supports a wide variety of digital products. The first is coaching calls. So this is a great way for you to start earning online, and with Stan, you can have this set up in just a few minutes. Okay, so let's say that you wanted to offer this in Stan. You're going to go over to My Store, scroll down, click Add Product, and select Coaching Call. Then from here, it's very simple and easy to set up. Okay, so we have a few options here. Then I'm going to click Checkout Page. This is where you can add details about your offer and set the price and collect your customer's name and email. Then if we go over to Availability, you'll see that you can integrate this with Zoom and it will automatically create that Zoom meeting link for you. And then you can decide on your availability down here, block off specific dates if needed, and you are good to go. And then to share this with your audience, you're just gonna click these 3 dots here, copy URL, open that up, and then you can see this is the page where they can come in and book in a time in your calendar that you're already available and pay for that call. So this is what I mean when I say that it's simple and easy to set up. They really have made it so user-friendly. The next product type is courses. Now, you guys know that I love selling courses online and helping you do the same. Inside Stan, you're going to get a very simple course builder with limited customization, but you can upload video lessons, text content, and any downloads, and you can make lessons available right away or drip them out over time. So let me show you what the course builder looks like. Okay, so you're just gonna click Add Product, then you'll see e-course here. Then again, go over to the checkout page, and here's where you're going to explain all the details of your course and set your price. Then if you go over to course, this is where you actually build it out. So for example, you can add your different modules and lessons underneath it. So if we go into lesson 1 here, you can upload any video lessons right here, add text beneath it, and then any files. So I've done that so I could show you what it looks like. And this is what the course area will look like for your students. So we have our video lesson there, then we have the text below and any downloads, and they can just click and download that. So it's nice and simple, but honestly, I think that this looks great. And then if you go right here where it says Edit Page on your home page, if you scroll down, you'll see that you can customize the colors and the font types. I mean, it is limited in terms of how much you can customize this, but I just wanted to point out that you can change your colors there and make that on brand for you. The next product type is webinars. So like coaching calls, you can configure these with Zoom. And what's great is that it makes it super easy for customers to choose a specific time slot that works for them, which means you can run live workshops or any sales presentations that you want. So let me show you what that looks like. You're going to go into My Store. This time you're going to add a product and select webinar. So just like the others, it's very consistent in terms of setting this up and making this available for sale. Then you're going to go over to webinar. You can add your different time slots here. Configure your webinar settings and the number of seats that you have available. So again, connecting with Zoom or Google Meet. So there isn't like a built-in live functionality in Stan. You're going to need to connect it with an external tool. And then for your webinar participants, this is what it looks like. They can come in here, choose their time slot, and then go ahead and pay for that presentation. The next type of product you can sell is a digital product. So whether you want to sell a PDF guide, an ebook, a template, a worksheet, Stan makes it incredibly easy to do that. Seriously, you're just going to upload the file, set the price, and then you can start sharing that out and making money. All right, so this time when you go into your store, you're going to click Add Product, and then you're going to choose Digital Product. And then if you go over to the checkout page, scroll down to the bottom, all you need to do is upload your digital product here. So the speed at which you can get up and running really is pretty amazing with Stan. The next product you can sell is custom products. So this is perfect if you offer something personalized, like a custom video audit or a one-on-one service that requires additional info from your customers. So what you can do is you can set up this product type and then easily add a custom field to collect details from your buyers when they check out. Let me show you that. Okay, we're gonna click Add Product, go over to Custom Product, and then this time at checkout, what you can do is you can go down to Collect Info, click Add Field, and then you could ask your clients whatever additional information you need from them. So let's say you're going to offer a sales page review, they could paste in the link here. So you would just go text box here and be like, what is your sales page link? Make that required. And then you have what you need to deliver on that custom product. The next product type you can offer is recurring memberships. So if you want to offer ongoing value, support, or exclusive content on a monthly basis, you can absolutely do that. And you can do this by setting up recurring billing. So now under My Store, you're going to add a product and you're going to add a recurring membership. Okay, and then you'll see that under price, we are setting a price, but this time we are setting it to be yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. Now, the next product type I want to talk about is a community. So with Stan, you can offer a paid community, but you can only offer one community for your entire Stan store. So for example, if you click Add Product, and then community here, you can set this up and you can charge for it. So you can do a one-time payment or a subscription, okay? And then let me show you what the community looks like. So you can customize this top photo here. You can add in different categories for the posts, and then your students or clients can come in here and share their own posts just like they would in any other community platform. So I really like this. I like that you can also add a countdown for anything that might be coming up, right? You can put your community description here. You can add any upcoming webinars that are coming up. So really think of it as like one central hub for everything that's happening. Then if you go down to helpful links, you can add some links there. And what I like about this is we have a resources tab where you can add in everything that you want your community to have access to. And then also if they click purchases, they're going to see all of the products that they have purchased from you. So here's where it gets a little confusing, the fact that you can only have one community. Okay, so you're going to need to figure out how this could work best for you in your business. Maybe you want to have one community for all of your different offers, or you would need to choose, okay, I'm going to have a paid community that is its own standalone offer. So if it's a standalone offer, you can set a price under the community settings, or if it's something that you just want to include under any of your products, if you go over to options, you'll see community integration, and you can turn that on, and so that anyone who purchases that product will then also get an invite to your community. So when you are going to sell this, every product in your store will have a thumbnail that appears on your main Stan store, but then it will also have a dedicated checkout page that you can link to directly. So for example, since I have added in multiple products to my store, if I go to my Stan store link, which is right up here, top right, and I open that up, you'll see that I have my Stan store with all my different products. So when you are in your settings and you're under thumbnail, this is what you are customizing. You're customizing the appearance for your Stan store overall, right? So that's why you can see here on the right, this is what my digital download looks like. So then over in my Stan store, that's exactly what you're seeing here. So I could choose to link to my Stan store as a whole like that, or I can grab the individual product page. So for that, I would go over to my store, find the product I want to direct people to, click the three dots, click copy URL, and that's going to open up its own separate mini sales page for that product. So in Stan, it's not like you can create really full sales pages or landing pages. It's very simple, minimalist designs. Now let's move down the sidebar and explore other tools you get inside Stan. If you click on income, you're going to be able to see your total earnings, product breakdowns, and customer value. So if we go over here, to income, that's what will be listed here. And you can segment here based on the product that they've purchased or the amount that they've spent with you. Next, we have analytics, and you're just going to get super basic tracking on store visits, revenue, and leads, so contacts that have joined your Stan store through either downloading a freebie or purchasing a product. And then down here, they give you a bit more information too, such as where your customers are coming from and how each of your products are converting. Okay, next we have your customers tab. So this is where you're going to be able to manage your contacts. And I love that you can tag them for segmentation. So you can set up different tags based on what products they've purchased or any other behavior, which is really helpful. So just a reminder, on the Creator plan, you can build up to 5,000 contacts. And on the Creator Pro plan, you can go up to 20,000 contacts. Next, down here, we have appointments. So as you start to book in those coaching calls, as you start to host those webinars, you can view and manage everything in here. Then we have referrals. So Stan has a great referral program. So as you start using it, you can then also encourage your friends and your community to make money online. And then you will get a 20% lifetime commission for that referral. So that's great. That's what that is. Okay, next we have email marketing. So Stan includes basic email confirmations with every single product type. Okay, so that's great. So when someone downloads something or purchases a product from you, they will automatically receive an email and you can customize what that says. However, if you want to send email broadcasts or set up automated email flows, you're going to need to upgrade to Creator Pro. So automated email flows that you could set up, this includes welcome sequences, nurture sequences, post-purchase email sequences, sales funnels, and more. So in my opinion, flows equal more sales, and I absolutely think that this feature alone is worth the $99 per month if you're planning to build a scalable business. Oh, and also you can just send simple broadcast or newsletter style emails as well through this function. So that is really important, building your community, building your email list, and then staying in regular contact with them. And you can do that through Stan. Okay, next we have auto DM. So you can set this up where you are selling your products from Stan through Instagram. And the auto DM feature is when you tell people, if you DM me this word, I will send you this specific link. So it's a really handy feature, though the way Stan explained it, it made me feel cautious about using this feature here. What I would recommend instead is using the tool ManyChat. This one is fully Meta approved, and it's going to allow you to set up all these different flows, follow-ups, lead collection, and you can do this safely. So yes, there is a version of this built into Stan, but I think it's better to use ManyChat, and then you don't have to worry about your account being flagged or anything like that. I've actually created a video that shows you how to get started with doing this on ManyChat, so I will link to that down below. All right, so final thoughts. Would I use Stan Store personally? No. I can see how some people would love it, but for me, I still prefer something more robust like Kartra or Kajabi because I run multiple offers and communities. I want deeper customization and analytics, and I need more powerful automations. So that's where I stand right now, but I am impressed with how easy Stan makes it for you to get up and running and start making money through different digital products. So let me know in the comments, are you team Stan or are you using something else? And if this is helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.